Ding, ding, ding. I don't know how it happened, but it happened. I'm already tired.
Oh my god! My first reindeer! Oh Jesus, I'm so happy! Jesus, hey guys, this is a video about my trip to the Lapland. Or maybe it's gonna be a couple of videos. I don't know yet, because I'm filming this part before my trip. It's pretty exciting for me because this is the longest trip ever since I got my driving license last year. And of course I had already like a little bit shorter, a little bit longer trips and so on, but this is gonna be the longest one. Why the Lapland? Because there is gonna be moto festival. Basically, it is festival for motorcycles. We are gonna be there, have some fun, listen music, eat food, hang around with other motorcycles, and so on. What is plan? First of all, I'm going me, my husband, and our friend. Basically, it's gonna be 3 motorcycles, 3 human beings, more than 1,000 kilometers per one direction, same on the way back, almost a week of traveling, and I hope a lot of fun. Let's get started.
This is the Mickey's park. With one Becky. Today we are driving our plan 600 kilometers and 50. We are gonna stay in some small city, like higher than Oulu, already quite north of Finland. Yeah, now weather looks quite nice and quite warm and very comfortable to drive. Yeah, and I'm enjoying a lot, I would say. Ding, ding, ding. I don't know how it happened, but it happened.
Oho, metallisen. Oi, näähän on arvokkaita. Voi laittaa tän tänne.
Interesting. But at least for now it's okay. Really? I thought you will bring some like napkins or something.
70 kilometers still left. I'm already tired. Yeah, but it's already like navigator showing it's like 47 minutes. I don't have a like back pain like guys have or something. I have a pain in my ears. And no, my helmet is not too small for me. I think just my ears, now I realize, probably they're just in weird location on my head. Resting.
There was sign that from this point we can see reindeers on the road in this part of Finland. It is reindeer! It is reindeer! Oh my god! My first reindeer! Oh Jesus, I'm so happy! Jesus, how I could get into the camera! Oh, I'm so lucky! Oh Jesus, guys, sorry I'm screaming, but Jesus, why so cute? Your butt is so cute and everything's so cute. And also quite interesting what I noticed, there is for almost 550 or 600 kilometers I didn't get so many bugs on my visor and on my windshield. Like here as I'm driving and they're just attacking my helmet. You literally can feel like every second like tick 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 tick. I can imagine how many of them I will have when I will arrive to the place. Interesting. Yucky. It was a shitload of these mosquitoes everywhere. It is camera what it was on my helmet. So I'm at the sauna after food and everything feels so good. Much better than it was before sauna, shower and food. Yeah. What now? We're going to sleep. Tomorrow we still have, I think, 400 kilometers ahead. And yeah, we're gonna drive it tomorrow, and probably in the evening we will go already to this festival. Yeah, I think this is a plan.